run unto one another on trains. There will be no chance meetings, we'll miss each other by minutes. The habits and parties which brought us together have already grown over and left. We will never run into one another on trains. I wrote you a note saying I was leaving and I left. It's all yours and mine now. We might never meet again, you know it might just never happen. We might never meet again, you know it might just never happen. We will never run into one another on trains. Don't talk to ghosts, don't open the windows for them. You don't slow your pace when you see them on the streets. But if what they say about life after death being so sweet, about how sweet it is, I miss you so. I miss you so. Looks like I'm losing my famous sense, or that famous sense of humor. Although then I look younger by how far that I feel, and I feel. Eyes 1, 2, 3, 8, clip your unconcealed. Miss, tell me your name and where I have been. And where we are now. We will never run into one another on trains. If we do, well, I'll be dressed for the occasion. This thought haunts me, dressing and undressing in the mornings. Things that we play out are not else I have not forgotten. We might never meet again, you know it might just never happen. We might never meet again, you know it might just never happen. We will never run into one another on trains. We will never run into one another. Oh